The Miata is really loud because it's straight piped, and because it's straight piped, it doesn't have a catalytic converter, it doesn't have O2 sensor, so it won't pass emissions, so I can't technically drive it or register it. So I bought a stock exhaust from Facebook. It's in pretty good shape. Also got a catalytic converter, got the whole thing for $100, which wasn't bad. So today I'm going to pull off the old exhaust and put on a stock exhaust so I can at least get it registered. I have a feeling I'm going to find a lot of surprises under there, but it's all an adventure. We'll figure it out. That's what it sounds like now, which is pretty awesome, I'll admit, but it's pretty annoying as well. So, I found some snacks. So they've done a terrible job of welding this on. I don't know if you can see this. Look at that. That's just all, and here is like, it's not even fitted properly. But they've tried to add hangers to it. So like right here, I'm not quite sure how to take that off, but I'll figure it out. But everything else looks okay, I guess. That is the old exhaust. It's not in awesome shape, as you can tell. There's crappy welds and weird fitment stuff. Just nasty. Look at that. It's ugh. So that's gross. This is the other exhaust. This is the stock exhaust I bought off of Facebook. So this is off a 95 Miata NA. And there's the high flow cat. So we're gonna try to get that to fit under there. I mean, it should go in without a problem. It's a stock exhaust, but I've never actually done one of these before, so we'll find out. So close. So close. It fit almost perfectly. I need some hangers. That one's almost broken. At the cat, you might not be able to see it, but on the passenger side, I had to zip tie it because the holes don't match. They're off by like 1/4 of an inch. So, I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but it's hanging for now, so we'll figure it out. Working on the exhaust again. It didn't hang right the first time. Doesn't exactly line up, and I think it was me not knowing what I'm doing. I'm gonna see if I can get it to actually align this time. Is the driver's side bolt was just fine, but the passenger side bolt was like overlapping by a good 1/4 inch. So I think I know what I did wrong. I've tried to re-hang it, so we'll see if it actually gets together this time. And if you look right here, here's some of my wonderful handiwork. Zip tie hanger. Why not? All right, let's see what we can do. think I did it. Let's see. There's still a little bit of a gap, but there's both bolts. There, and there, and there, and there. So, win, I guess?